We're going to restaurant. Going to parking. Yes. Here is a outlet place. Yan mga outlet. That's outlet. We're going to restaurant. Ano yung outlet ng mga branded? All. Lahat ng branded, lahat ng mga yung Michael Kors, Versace, Diesel, Louis Vuitton, all branded nandito. Outlet siya, ha? So yung mga hindi na sold out na product, inaano nila, binabargain sale nila ng 3 days. Pag within 3 days na buy mo, malaki ang save mo. Then after 3 days, back to back to normal price na sila. Oh, Coca-Cola. I remember my father. My father is manager in Coca-Cola. Oh, look. Malaki yan siya. Simula doon up to there. Siya pinakadulo. Yung outlet na yan. Puro branded sila. Lakad lang tayo, samahan niyo ako. Walk tayo until our parking. Oh, it's a little bit cold. Pero okay naman, naka-boots naman ako. Oh, this is the premium hotel. Wait lang, for outlet yan dyan. Simula doon sa dulo by dulo yan. Napakahaba. Ayan, ito naman yung premium hotel. Yung mahal. Mahal na hotel. Pero mahal siya, complete na siya. Siguro one day dyan is 50,000 yan above. Yan, the premium hotel in Rinko. Ayan. Almost kasi in Japan kasi talagang mamahalin talaga lahat. Pero mayaman kasi sila eh. I'm wishing na maging ganun din tayo sa Philippines. Yung bansang Philippines, yayaman din. Katulad ng Japan. Okay, now we're going back to our parking. Nag-unwind lang kami start ng afternoon. Kung hindi to plano, it's not planted. Going here to visit an outlet. Ay nagkaroon lang ng chance yung mga kasama ko na pupunta na sa branded, sa outlet. Ay my goodness. See you guys. Black of na naman ako battery. My goodness. See you. See you later. Thank you for watching my advocacies.